Welcome to Introduction to Mobile Application Development. So we're going to explore how, in general, mobile apps are developed, the tools used, and the latest trends in this field. So this lecture will give you an overview of mobile application development in general. We won't look too much into cross-platform development. We will talk about that in another lecture. Types of mobile application. So let's look at different types. So we can categorize mobile apps into three main types. First is native, web, and hybrid. And native applications they're usually developed specifically for one platform. So you might be familiar with iOS or Android, and they offer optimized performance and takes full advantage of all the device features. And another one would be web application. And web application, on the other hand, they are accessed via a web browser and are not installed on the device. And we have another category called hybrid apps. They are kind of blend of both. They're built using web technologies, but wrapped in a native container to allow them to access device features. Platforms for mobile development. So in the mobile development, two major players dominate the market currently. iOS is developed by Apple and Android is from Google. And each platform has its unique development environment. With iOS apps, they are typically built using Swift or Objective-C in Xcode. You'll now see more Swift iOS apps built using Swift and Android apps using Kotlin or Java in Android Studio. And similarly, you'll see more Kotlin apps as time goes by. And this choice of platform can influence your application's design, functionality, and reach. Development tools and environment. So to develop an app, you will need an integrated development environment, or IDE for short. For Android, developers would use Android Studio. It's provided by Google, and for iOS, you will need to use Xcode, and these IDEs provide a comprehensive suite of tools for coding, debugging, and testing your apps. Additionally, having familiarity with version control systems like Git is really crucial for managing the code base and collaborating with others. Understanding the basics. So it is really important to understand some core concepts. First would be the UI UX design principle. It is important because the user interface and experience directly impact the app's success. Secondly, APIs, application programming interfaces. It allows your mobile app to interact with other software or services. And lastly, it's becoming more and more important of having a robust security measures to protect user data. Similar to a web application, the development life cycle of a mobile app consists of several stages, from the initial idea and design to development, testing, deployment, and ongoing maintenance. So there are development methodologies like Agile or Waterfall. They can help streamline this process so that your project stays on track and aligns with your objectives. Trends and future of mobile app development. So the mobile app industry is rapidly evolving. We will try to cover these, but there are new trends like artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, IoT, and augmented reality and virtual reality. So if you are going into mobile application development field, it is important to stay informed about these trends so that you can keep your skills relevant and innovate in the web creation. Thank you for listening.